Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Expert Computer Tech. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon to get more tech and tricks video updates. Thank you. Hello friend, welcome to my new video. In today's video, I will show you how to link Aadhaar card with PAN card after 30 March 2022. I guess you all know that it is mandatory to link PAN card with Aadhaar card, else that will be a invalid PAN card. So for that, Income Tax Department gave us a deadline to link Aadhaar card with PAN card. That was 30 March 2022. So we have crossed the deadline already. So now I think you have a question in your mind that is it still possible to link Aadhaar card with PAN card? I will say yes to that. PAN card department giving us another chance, but there will be a fee for that. So if you guys didn't link your Aadhaar card with your PAN card yet, please do that as soon as possible. Else you can't use your PAN card because that will be an invalid PAN card. So now let me show you how to link Aadhaar card with PAN card. Before going further, please subscribe to our channel. So let's start now. First of all, we need to open Income Tax Department new website, that is incometax.gov.in. I will put the link on description. You can see from there also. After open this website, we need to click here on Link Aadhar. Then another page will be open. Here it will ask us for our PAN card number and the Aadhaar card. We need to put the Aadhaar card number and the PAN card number. So let me put here. And then click on validate. As soon as you will click on validate, it will give you a pop-up here. Then we need to click here to continue to pay on portal. And here it will give us some option. So we need to select this one. The challan number 280. Then we need to click on proceed, sorry. And then we need to select here 0021 income tax other than companies, and we need to select 500 here, and then we need to select our bank, like I have this one, sorry. Here we have two options for payment, either net banking or the debit card. So I'm going through the net banking. Here again we need to put some information. We need to fill it. And we need to select the year 2023 to 24, and then we need to select here like our address. Home address, building and road and street number, and our locality and the district. Delhi, and then we need to fill here the capture. Yes. And then we need to click on proceed. After proceed, it will give us all the information like the application number, the payment amount, the it will also show us the name, and all the information we need to check, make sure everything is correct. Then you need to click on I agree, and then click on submit to the bank. And we need to leave it as it is, and just we need to fill here other 500. Under the other we need to put here the amount, that is 500, and then we need to click on submit. After that we need to click, it will give us the another details, the tax details, everything. Then we need to click on submit. So now we need to make the payment for it. So for that we need to use the PNB debit card, and we need to make the payment. So now we need to fill the card details like the card number and the name on the card and the expiry date of the card and the CVV number also. And then we need to click on pay. Once payment will be done, then we need to wait for 6 to 7 working days, and after that we need to go through with the same website again, that is www.incometax.gov.in, and then click on Link Aadhar again, and we need to put our PAN number and Aadhaar number, and then click on validate. Once you'll click on the validate, it will show you the status of your PAN card, if it's linked with Aadhaar card or not. I'm sure it will be linked, because after all you pay them for that, so I'm sure it will link. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel to get new update. Thank you.